Okay, the last thing we're going to do is we're just going to finish up by doing a what-if analysis. So a what-if analysis is a powerful tool. It's a recalculation tool that can be used to analyze worksheet data. Basically, you can pretty much ask yourself like what-if questions. So that you can put in like different scenarios and see what type of output you would get. So before we get started, I'm just going to hit Control A here to select the entire worksheet. And then I'm going to create a new sheet, do Control V. Okay, this will give me a copy of this. Okay, and then I want you to rename it What If Analysis. We're going to change the tab color to red. Okay, so we're going to ask ourselves a couple questions to see if our numbers are going to change. So we're going to scroll it so that row 4 is the first row visible in the worksheet. We're going to click on A7. Okay, and we're going to split the window to help us out here. So we're splitting it up so that way we can see the different pieces of the worksheet. Okay, we're going to see where row 9 is, so it's visible at the top. Okay, so in B20, we're going to change the cells to 5,000. So if we change the bonus to 5,000, what's going to happen? Oh, well, it changes this up a little bit, and you'll see that the operating income decreased. So we lost money by offering a higher bonus. Okay, we're going to change up B22. What if we change the commission to 22.5%? Okay, our operating income goes up. Okay, meaning that we're offering less commission. And B25, what if we change the equipment repair and maintenance to 4? Okay, we should be getting 139,057. Now, the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're doing something called goal seeking. Okay, so if you know the result you want a formula to produce, you can use goal seeking to determine the value of a cell on which the formula depends. Okay, so for example, we're going to select cell H16. Then we're going to go to Data, What If Analysis, and then click on Goal Seek. So we're going to set the cell H16 to 145,000. Okay, so we want an operating income of 145,000, and we're willing to change something up to make sure we get there. We're going to change cell B23. So we got to figure out what percentage we need to make site rental, because we can move this around a little bit to make sure we get what we need. So we press OK, and it will calculate it. And it says, instead of having a site rental of 10%, we're going to goal seek by changing cell B23. It'll go to 8. We'll do 8.61%. So we got to drop down our expenses for our site rental 1.39% in order to hit this right here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and save here. Now the next thing we're going to do, just like Module 2, we're going to create a page with formulas. So we're going to hit Control A here while everything is selected. Control C, create a new sheet, call it projection with formulas. Right click, paste. Okay, now we're going to change this tab color to purple. Okay, now we're going to go to formulas, show formulas. I want to see that these formulas have been entered in right. Looks like they have. Okay, so we're going to move the expense chart to the second tab, projection with formulas, what if analysis. Okay, so now we have 4 worksheets in part of this workbook. What you are going to do is make sure we're going to get rid of this splitting. What you're going to do is make sure that all 4 worksheets end up in the same printout. So what you're going to do is File, Print. There's 9 pages because we're printing the entire workbook. Okay, so we've got our first one, graph. Second one looks really, really bad. Okay, we're going to change this up a little bit. We're going to at least make it landscape. Okay, and then we're going to scale to fit on 1 page. Same thing here, landscape, fit sheet on 1 page. So we should have 4 printouts here. Okay, now what you can do is you're going to put this into OneNote. What you can do is you could print to a PDF and insert it into OneNote Online. So how you would do that is you'd print, it's either Microsoft Print to PDF or something along the lines of that. You can print to PDF, press print, save it to your desktop, then go into OneNote Online. You're going to go to Insert, File, Printout, and Print to PDF. That's one way you can do it. The other way is you can open up OneNote, the application. So this thing right here, OneNote, the application, you can print or send to OneNote, put it in Excel, and name it Ice Cream Shop Financial Projection, or you can save it, or you can save it as a PDF. You can put it into OneDrive, then copy the link from OneDrive and put it into OneNote. So you've got 3 options there. So if you've got problems with sending things and it's not cooperating with you, don't just leave it there. If it's not printing right, put it into OneDrive, send me the link, make sure it says guest to it so I can, when I click on it, I can access it. Okay, so you press to the left of the file, go up to copy link, and paste that link in your OneNote notebook. If you have any questions, if it's not working, try it first. If it's not working after you tried it, come see me and I'll help you. Okay, if you have any questions regarding any of this stuff, please let me know. Other than that, I hope this was helpful for you.